My husband is other party. What about the notice? Should the notice have been served immediately? Otherwise, notice of publication हुआ है. हस्बैंड एक publication expert. Public के तो बाद में नहीं आया. तो फिर घर जाके दिया पढ़ने की परिस्थिति ईमेल किया. गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस को फादर उसको वहाँ दिया. तो वो इनको व्हाट्सएप और एसएमएस करता था. मैंने इतने साल बर्बाद कर दिए. फर्दर और 10 साल आईपीएल बर्बाद कर दी. आज भी ऑनलाइन देख रहा हूँ. अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. This is petition was filed by the wife lordship, and that was the divorce petition was rejected by the family court. Mainly lordship on few grounds. That she has not made any complaint before the police regarding the cruelty. Where is the law? Where is? Date. 19 अप्रैल 2019. 14. बच्चे कितने आपके पास? बच्चे लोग. What is the cruelty created by the other guy? What has happened, Lordship? They both belong to a small place near Bhopal. So they were students, they fell in love. They came to Bhopal for preparation of government job. Coachings. They were living separately. So what has happened? Lordship, they did marriage. And they were living separately in separate PGs. That has happened in life. So she got government job in 2017. LIC Housing Finance and assistant manager. Since when they were living separately? 2017, Lordship. 2017. When she got government job in law, when she got government job in law, right. And her husband could not get any job till now. What she was doing? So that his ego. She was an assistant manager in LIC Housing Finance Limited. Assistant manager in LIC Housing Finance. Okay. और हस्बैंड कुछ भी नहीं करते, इसलिए उनका ईगो हर्ट हो गया. वो बोले आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब छोड़ो, पापा कहते हैं मेरे साथ रहो. और बोला आप इधर आ जाओ, आप यहाँ ज्यादा अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. क्वालिफिकेशन है बैचलर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक. अच्छा बीई इंजीनियरिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ये इलेक्ट्रिकल सर भी है. इतने साल से बोलते ये नहीं पता कि क्या पढ़ा लिखा है. आपके कितने साल अफेयर है? कितने साल अफेयर है? कितने साल अफेयर? शादी के पहले 4 साल. 4 साल. And why the trial court has rejected her cruelty? Actually, mainly 6 grounds. One is that she has not made any police complaint regarding alleging cruelty. Right. Second is कि इन्होंने और कोई witness examine नहीं किया है सिवाय खुद के. Quantity of witness. Right. Third is कि wife ने husband को एक notice दिया था divorce petition लगाने के पहले. Wife ने. नोटिस ने हस्बैंड को नोटिस भेजा था, लीगल नोटिस. उसमें क्रूएल्टी अलेज करते हुए लास्ट पैरा में ये लिख दिया था कि हम सारे विवादों को विराम देना चाहते हैं, म्यूचुअल कंसेंट से शादी कर लीजिए. आपने भेजा था. हाँ ठीक है. तो उसको हस्बैंड ने मना कर दिया, डिनाई कर दिया. तो ट्रायल कोर्ट ने बोला कि इनकी इंटेंशन ये थी कि म्यूचुअल कंसेंट से कर लो. जबकि उसी नोटिस में क्रूएल्टी के फैक्ट्स क्लियरली. क्रूएल्टी क्या है बताइए? पता नहीं क्या लिखा. कि मेनली इनका 2017 में जॉब लग गया, गवर्नमेंट जॉब इन्वायरमेंट. राइट. और हस्बैंड का लग नहीं पाया तो उनका ईगो हर्ट हुआ उससे. तो वो इन पे प्रेशर करने लगे. और इनके ब्रदर की प्राइवेट जॉब लग गई गवर्नमेंट. सो बोथ ऑफ शी एंड हर ब्रदर दे वर लिविंग टुगेदर इन their respective jobs. So his main problem was always the hurting of ego, that you leave your government job and live with me without doing anything until I get government job. And he used to torture her physically and mentally also. Since 17 we are living separately in different cities also now.
The present appeal has been filed. On the ground that the court below has substantially erred in law and fact, both in not appreciating that included there is no notice received by the wife of Section 9 as alleged filed by the respondent. As such, she had no knowledge about the same. Moreover, Section 9 case was filed after filing of the divorce petition by the appellant and by the husband. No,
सेक्शन 9 हस्बैंड ने सेक्शन 9 हस्बैंड ने भोपाल में
divorce petition लीगल करती है।
तो उन्होंने इंदौर में लगाई सेक्शन 9 हस्बैंड ने भोपाल में लगाया 2 साल उसको पेंडिंग रखा और विड्रॉ कर लिया। जैसे इनकी डाइवोर्स पिटीशन डिसमिस हुई उसने इमीडिएटली उसको विड्रॉ कर लिया। और वो ऑर्डर
section filed by the respondent husband
सेक्शन
and section 9 and divorce petition filed by the wife. Hence, mere filing of section 9 case cannot bar the rights of wife under the law. So, the further ground in the present appeal is that the court has committed substantial error of fact and law in not properly appreciating the clear pleading and evidence on the court that the respondent treated the appellant with quality and alerted her as not joined her action in job where appellant was working in a government job with LIC Housing Finance Limited and the respondent was not working. So, non-consensual opinion on behalf of the appellant submit that the trial court failed to appreciate that if a wife is compelled and constrained to live separately with her husband to save her life, dignity, modesty, etc., and to escape the continuous physical and mental cruelty by the husband and his family members, living separately with the husband on such ground, and especially when she is employed in a government job, she has to live separately for such job are lawful and self-contributed and considered as possession by the appellant wife without any substantial cause. So, the court below has not considered the expression sufficient cause for possession in its power, proper perspective, and has given improper finding to that effect. So, we have produced the improved order passed by the level family court, whereby recorded as under. This is page 50. There are no complaints filed on the italics 126 Roman. It is pertinent to mention that despite notice served for the respondent of non-following India. So, thereafter, the substitute to publication has also effective and appeared none on behalf of the respondent. It seems the respondent has nothing to say to cut over the present appeal. So,
he has already been proceeded ex parte. Sorry, he has already been proceeded ex parte by this court.
The court already proceeded ex parte. Why not updated?
Please solve our problems.
Please solve the problem.
Please